of Gordon Brown? Okay. How about Nick Clegg? Anything good to say about him? Alright then, so, you're a David Cameron girl, eh? What do you think of David Cameron? Right. So, are you going to be abstaining in the next general election? Oh, was that a no? Or was that a yes? That's a yes, isn't it? So you've lost faith in the political system of this country, is that right? Okay. So what do you think it should be replaced with? Well, you're just knocking it down. You've actually got no solutions to offer. Well, that's good, isn't it? You know, you claim to like the system. Or rather, you claim to despise the system, but you've got nothing to replace it with. Think about that.